Hi, my name is Charlie Homerding, and I am going to explain how to use the program Plickers. Plickers is a web-based and mobile-based program that teachers can use to create classroom quizzes and receive live results. I will explain how to create a quiz, I'll show a demo of asking a question, and I will explain how quiz data can be utilized. First, we'll go ahead and create an account, which is really simple. You just click sign up right here, put some basic info in, and hit sign up. I've already got an account, so I will go ahead and sign in. This is a free service, so no purchase is necessary. The main page is going to be my library. Under my library, you'll see all the questions that I have created with the answers. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create a question. You hit plus new question right there. I'm going to type in how many protons are in a nitrogen atom. And I'm going to make some choices for the students. The answer is 7, and I will select the correct answer by clicking that box right there. I can make this a true or false question. I can also add an image if I want. I can either save and create more questions, or I can save and go back to my library. You'll see the question is right here, and I can organize this question into different folders. By clicking this arrow right here, I can move this question into a folder. I'll put it in my chemistry folder, move it right there. You'll see I can also do mobile uploads. Questions that I create on my mobile device, I can add to my library through here. Under reports, you'll see a question history and score sheet. I'll explain some of that data a little bit later. Under classes, you can go ahead and see I have a demo class, I have period 1, you can create different subjects, different periods or hours of the day, whatever is best for you to organize your classes. And you can also put your student log in here as well. Under live view, this is where I'm going to select a question, and the question on my mobile device will show up right here. So I can connect this computer to a projection or to a smartboard, and this question will show up. You'll see I can change the font for students that might have a visual impairment, or for students who have a hearing impairment and can't hear me verbalize the question, they'll see it displayed right here. And they will answer these questions by using these cards. These cards are like a QR square cards. You can either purchase them on Amazon or you can print them right here. You'll see they have larger font ones too for younger students or students who have trouble reading. I'll go ahead and click this right here. You'll see the flashcard right here. And all a student has to do is rotate the flashcard, choosing A, B, C, or D. Their selection will be at the top, and the mobile device will scan all of the students' QR flashcards, and it will take that data in. This number in the corner here, this corresponds to the number in the student log. And I'm going to go ahead and show you a quick demo. You'll see this is me using the app right now. Any other classes you had, like the period 1 or different subject, would show up. I have the demo class right here. You'll see the Q is where it goes to. Any active question would be right there. If you click history, you'll see past questions along with some past data as well. I'm going to go ahead and go back to the Q, and you'll see I can create a question right there and upload it to my web account, or go to my library. Any ones I already have will be listed here. I'll go ahead and choose how many protons are in a carbon atom. You'll see the question is right here. It'll also be displayed on the live view. The correct answer is 6, which is marked with green, and the wrong answers are in red. I would verbalize this question to the students as well as display it, and students have some time to rotate their flashcards with the correct side of the QR code. Once they've all made their selection, I'll go ahead and click Scan Now, which is in the bottom right. The app will use my camera, and I will just simply scan across the classroom. No need to push buttons, no need to zoom in. It automatically finds which selection the student made, and students can also change their answers at this time as well. Once I hit the check mark, the answers are confirmed. Data is in the top left-hand corner with 67%. You'll also see that student 1 got it right, student 2 got it wrong, and student 3 also got it right. So that is the basic explanation of the demo right here. I'll go ahead and go back to reports so that you can go to the score sheet and see how all this data can be used. Under class, you can choose which class you used. I used the demo class. This is also organized by date. Once you choose the class, choose which date you used the questions, and it will go ahead and show you the scores of all the students. So I think this program is best used for review sessions before tests. I think it would also be great to use during lectures as participation points. You can also use it as a pop quiz as well and use these actual scores that correspond to the student's grade. You'll see student 1 got 100% there. And I also want to suggest students that might have some visual impairments and can't see the flashcards as well. If you make cut grooves or indentations on each side of the flashcard corresponding with A through D, then that student who can't see the flashcard will be able to feel it and make their selection. Also, by giving the student a little bit of time to answer the questions, um, that will also help those students with learning disabilities. So this is basically Plickers in a nutshell. Um, have fun making quizzes and answering questions, and hopefully this is a great way to interact with your students.